Morning friends, last period we see wavefront, types of wavefront and Huygens principle. In this period we have to see Huygens construction of spherical wavefront and plane wavefront. We have to construct spherical wavefront and later on a plane wavefront. For this purpose we have to consider, let S be the point source of light situated in homogeneous medium. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे S हा एक पॉइंट सोर्स ऑफ लाईट आहे की जो लाईट वेव्स एमिट करत आहे इन होमोजिनियस मीडियम. PQR be the known position of the spherical wavefront at an instant t is equal to 0. That means initially PQR be the known position of the spherical wavefront. According to Huygens principle, every point on this wavefront acts as a secondary source of light, sending out secondary wavelets in forward direction. If c is the velocity of light or v is the velocity of light, then in time t, the secondary wavelets originating from PQR covers a distance equal to Vt. If v is the velocity of light and t is the time, in time t the light waves or the secondary wavelets originating from PQR covers a distance equal to Vt. Now to construct the new spherical wavefront, draw the hemispheres with PQR as a center and radius equal to Vt. म्हणजे आपल्याला नवीन स्फेरिकल वेव्हफ्रंट कन्स्ट्रक्ट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला PQR हा सेंटर घेऊन हेमिस्फियर्स सेमिस्फियर्स डाउन करायची की प्रत्येक सेमिस्फियरची रेडियस ही Vt असायला पाहिजे. नाउ इफ वी ड्रॉ द इन्व्हलप in the form of common tangent to all these spheres, we get the new spherical wavefront as P dash Q dash R dash. Means we draw the hemispheres to the we draw the envelope to the secondary wavelets as P dash Q dash R dash, which is the new spherical wavefront, that is secondary wavefront. This is Huygens construction of spherical wavefront. That means we see S be the point source of light situated in the homogeneous medium. Let PQR be the spherical wavefront initially, that is at time t is equal to 0. Third point, according to Huygens principle, every point on this wavefront acts as a secondary source of light, sending out secondary wavelets in forward direction. Later on we have to draw the hemispheres with if v is the velocity of light in air, then in time t the secondary wavelets originating from PQR covers a distance equal to Vt. Now we have to draw the hemispheres with PQR as a center and radius equal to Vt. Now we have to draw the common tangent to all the spheres, that is envelope, and that envelope is the P dash Q dash R dash is the new spherical wavefront at an instant t, and this is the Huygens construction of spherical wavefront. Now in comparison with this spherical wavefront, we have to see the construction of a plane wavefront. For the construction of plane wavefront, similarly we have to consider the point source of light emitting light waves in forward direction. Let PQR be the plane wavefront at an instant t is equal to 0. आपल्याकडे PQR ही known position आहे प्लेन वेव्हफ्रंट ची इनिशियली, that is time t is equal to 0. आता according to Huygens principle, every point on this wavefront acts as a secondary source of light, sending out secondary wavelets in forward direction. Similarly, if v is the velocity of light, then in time t the secondary wavelets originating from PQR covers a distance equal to VT. Now we have to draw the hemispheres with PQR as a center and radius equal to VT. ह्या प्रत्येक सेमिस्फिअरची रेडियस ही आपण VT घेतली. Now we have to draw the envelope to all these secondary wavelets in the form of tangent to all the spheres as shown. And this P dash, Q dash, R dash is the plane wavefront at an instant t, and this is the construction of the plane wavefront. In both the constructions, only forward motion of the wavefront will be considered because this backward motion of these wavelets is not effective. That means this backward motion of these secondary wavelets or the secondary wavefronts is not effective, and this is the construction of spherical wavefront and plane wavefront.